Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today, we're going to explore the world of private label business and the minimum budget you need to get started. We'll begin by understanding the private label business model and how it compares to dropshipping. Now, let's dive into the comparison between dropshipping and private label. For beginners, we recommend starting with dropshipping. It's an ideal starting point. Private label, on the other hand, is a more advanced and customized business model. Private label is all about creating custom products that stand out from the competition. It involves adding your brand identity to products, making them unique to your business. To enhance product value, private label allows you to modify existing products to add functionality. You can also customize product designs to create a distinctive product. With private label, you gain the power to protect your brand. You can trademark and patent your unique products, ensuring exclusive rights and protection. Private label offers numerous advantages, such as building a sustainable and long-term growth-oriented business. It's a powerful choice for entrepreneurs. Before you jump into private label, it's important to acknowledge the risks and requirements. This business model carries a higher level of risk and requires prior e-commerce experience and a budget ranging from $1,000 to $100,000. Budget considerations for private label can vary significantly based on the product and supplier. You can start with as low as $1,000 for simple products, but for complex custom items, your budget could reach up to $100,000. Managing expenses includes sampling products, testing, and effectively negotiating with suppliers. It's essential to diversify your supplier portfolio for better flexibility. Part of the budget goes into ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook and TikTok, allowing you to test your private label products. Marketing is a crucial step in the process. Bulk inventory orders and the related freight costs are substantial expenses in private label. It's crucial to optimize logistics and ensure a smooth flow of inventory. Always prepare for unexpected expenses and unforeseen costs. A solid contingency plan is a must when dealing with a business as dynamic as private label. Private label is not for everyone. It is the most suitable for experienced entrepreneurs. If you haven't made a substantial profit with dropshipping, it's essential to evaluate your experience and readiness before venturing into this advanced business model. In this section, we'll outline the steps to launch your private label brand. It all starts with selecting a niche and customizing your product to cater to your target market. The first step in your private label journey is choosing your niche and deciding on the product you want to sell. Your selection will set the foundation for your brand. Product customization is key. Learn how to modify existing products to meet your unique vision. A product designer can help craft your ideas into reality. Sourcing the right suppliers is crucial. Explore Alibaba to discover potential partners and don't hesitate to reach out to several suppliers for negotiation. Step 3 involves ordering samples. It's an essential process to ensure your product meets your standards. However, sampling costs can vary widely. Once you receive your samples, it's time to evaluate their quality. Ensure that you're satisfied with the samples before moving forward. Prepare for your product's launch by creating marketing content. Get the word out with initial advertising strategies and test the market's response. To determine market demand, it's crucial to run test ads. Learn how to use platforms like Facebook and TikTok for testing the viability of your product. Leave your ads running for an extended period to gather solid proof of your product's demand. It's vital to see sustained interest and demand. Mitigate risks by establishing contingency plans and safeguarding your investments. Unexpected expenses can be managed effectively with a strategic approach. As you continue your journey with a successful test, you can move forward with the private label process. Data-driven decisions will guide your way. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to find suppliers on Alibaba.com. Alibaba, one of the world's largest wholesale platforms, offers a wide range of suppliers from around the globe, including countries like China, India, and Turkey. You can find suppliers for almost any product category on Alibaba. When you visit the platform, the first step is to input the name of your desired product. To illustrate, let's consider the example of finding a supplier for a hoodie brand. However, I'd like to emphasize that starting a clothing brand is not a recommendation. The clothing niche is one of the most challenging in e-commerce and often falls short of the criteria for a successful dropshipping product. It lacks that unique attention-grabbing factor and is readily available anywhere, making it a tough sell unless you possess extensive experience, exceptional branding skills, and design expertise. Nonetheless, I'll guide you on how to find a supplier for a hoodie brand. Begin by entering the product name at the top search bar. As you can see, there are numerous listings on the platform. Before diving into these listings, take a moment to explore the categories listed on the left side. This information includes details such as the minimum order quantity, price, supplier's country, and region. If you're specifically interested in sourcing hoodies from China or any other country, you can use these filters to refine your search. Additionally, you can explore options like management certificates, product certifications, features, collar styles, sleeve styles, and more to narrow down your choices further. The more specific you are about your hoodie requirements, the better. Once you've completed your search, you'll find numerous suppliers. For instance, the first listing may have a minimum order requirement of 60 units, while another supplier may allow a one-piece minimum order. It's recommended to negotiate and request samples from at least 5 different suppliers. In this video, I'll focus on just one example. In this case, let's look at this supplier rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars and with several years in business. Click on the chosen listing to access detailed information about the supplier's offerings. Here, you can see the pricing structure. For instance, if you order up to 100 units, the price per hoodie is $10.79, but for orders exceeding 10,000 units, it drops to $8.60. The listing also specifies available colors, sizes. You can also get a product sample. Additionally, you can inquire about customization options, such as adding a logo to your hoodie. If you scroll further down, you'll find information indicating that this supplier is verified by Alibaba, has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, a 99% on-time delivery rate, an annual revenue exceeding $520,000, and an under 2-hour response time. These are positive indicators of a reliable supplier. You can also review their accepted payment methods on the right-hand side, including Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, and Alibaba's Trade Assurance, which offers protection against scams. By scrolling further down, you can view more information and details about the product, such as printing method and material. Here we see even more pictures and an overview of the supplier's business, including the number of employees and their establishment date. The company profile often includes images of their office, serving as proof of their legitimacy. It's essential to validate potential suppliers to ensure your business's trustworthiness. Look for proof of previous orders to verify their credibility. Each supplier on Alibaba provides comprehensive listings to attract your business. These listings offer information on their capabilities, such as mock-ups, customizations, and more. Once you've narrowed down your choices, create an Alibaba account and initiate contact with potential suppliers. Introduce your business, explain your needs, and request samples to assess quality. For a well-rounded approach, consider working with 3 to 5 different suppliers. This allows you to negotiate, obtain samples, and thoroughly verify quality before proceeding with bulk orders. Confidence is key. Proceed with your private label venture only when you're satisfied with the samples and have seen positive results from your ad campaigns.